A case upended witness recantation sends shockwaves. The high-profile case against rapper Young Thug just took an unexpected turn. A key witness whose testimony was considered crucial for the prosecution has recanted their previous statements. This shocking development throws the entire case into disarray and raises questions about the strength of the evidence presented. The witness, whose identity remains protected, has now claimed that their initial testimony was coerced. This revelation sends shockwaves through the courtroom and leaves both legal teams scrambling to reassess their strategies. The case, already marked by its complexities and high stakes, now faces even greater uncertainty. The prosecution, initially confident in their case, must now grapple with the implications of this recantation. The defense, on the other hand, sees a glimmer of hope for their client. The indictment and the witness setting the stage. Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Lamar Williams, was indicted in May 2022 on charges of racketeering and gang activity. The indictment alleges that Williams and others were involved in a criminal street gang known as Young Slime Life, YSL. Prosecutors have painted a picture of Williams as a central figure in this alleged gang, using his music and platform to further its criminal activity. The witness, whose identity remains under seal, was expected to provide crucial testimony linking Williams to specific instances of criminal activity. Their initial statements, detailed in court documents, seem to corroborate the prosecution's narrative. However, with the recent recantation, the foundation of the prosecution's case appears to crumble. Shifting sands the implications of a changed testimony. The witness's recantation has significant implications for all parties involved. For the prosecution, it deals a major blow to their case. The witness's testimony was considered a cornerstone of their strategy, and its absence leaves a gaping hole in their narrative. The prosecution must now decide whether to proceed with the case, relying on other evidence, or to reevaluate their approach entirely. For Young Thug and his co-defendant Brian Steele, the recantation offers a glimmer of hope. It strengthens their defense against the serious charges they face. The defense will likely use this development to challenge the credibility of other witnesses and evidence presented by the prosecution. Section 4. A cloud of doubt, the witness's credibility and legal precedence. The witness's recantation casts a long shadow of doubt over their credibility. The prosecution will undoubtedly scrutinize the reasons behind this change of heart, searching for any inconsistencies or signs of outside influence. On the other hand, the defense will likely argue that the recantation exposes the flaws in the prosecution's case and the unreliability of their witnesses. This situation also raises questions about legal precedents and the treatment of witnesses in criminal cases. The witness's claim of coercion, if proven true, could have serious consequences for the prosecution and raise concerns about due process. Section 5. The prosecutor's dilemma, navigating justice amidst uncertainty. The witness's recantation presents a significant dilemma for Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Willis, who has built a reputation for her tough stance on gang violence, now faces a difficult decision. Proceeding with the case without the witness's testimony carries significant risks. It could weaken the prosecution's case and potentially lead to an acquittal for Williams and Steele. However, dropping the charges altogether would be a major setback for Willis and raise questions about the strength of the initial indictment. Section 6. Ripples of uncertainty, the future of the case and beyond. The future of Young Thug's case remains uncertain. The witness's recantation has thrown the legal proceedings into disarray, leaving both sides scrambling to reassess their strategies. The prosecution must now grapple with the loss of a key witness, while the defense sees an opportunity to challenge the strength of the evidence presented against their clients. This case has already garnered significant public attention, and the recent developments only add to the intrigue. The trial, initially scheduled to begin later this year, may be delayed as both sides adjust to this unexpected turn of events. The outcome of this case could have wider implications for the criminal justice system, particularly regarding the treatment of witnesses and the use of racketeering laws in prosecuting alleged gang activity.